Here's how to manifest anything you ever wanted with scripting in 5 easy steps. Hello my powerful creators, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for being here today. My name is Candace if you're new here, and on this channel we talk about manifestation, the law of attraction, and personal development. And if you would like to become a powerful creator, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'm going to give you the exact steps on how to manifest with just a pen and paper. Writing down your goals and dreams is one of the most powerful techniques you can ever do. Think of the olden times when they would write in stone. They would write that in stone. They would write things in stone that happened and what would happen, because they knew and they declared. The same energy they had is in you. So I want you to have that energy when you're writing down your goals and dreams and your manifestations. So the first thing you need is a pen and paper. And I have below the notepads that I use. I love these notepads. They're from Amazon. I have a link to them in my description, and I have a link to the pens that I use. I love these pens. I mean, they last forever. So I want you to use them too if you have them. But the thing is, it doesn't have to be the same pens and paper that I use. You can use any pen and paper that you have, your journal, your school notes, it does not matter. Just get out a sheet of paper and pen. The second thing, powerful creators, what you're going to do is get clear on what you desire. It does not have to be exact. You could say even like maybe you need a new car, but you're not sure which car you want. Just put it out there. Put it in your mind for a little bit. You want to think about the things that you desire for at least a minute and just ponder on them. Really feel them. Feel the feelings of having them for just a second here before we get started. Just thinking about it, maybe your specific person, that school you want to attend, or paying off your bills, things like that. It doesn't matter, it's up to you because it's your desires. I just want you to ponder on them, and you don't have to do this every time you do this technique, but in the beginning it's really good to just think about what you want. Now it's time for you powerful creators to write. You're going to just write everything that you desire, but the key is to say thank you for, or I'm so grateful for. I want you to start each sentence with that. Thank you so much for my specific person, that we're in this most beautiful relationship. Thank you for my new car. I'm so happy that I have a new car. Thank you that I got accepted into that school that I wanted. I'm so happy. Things like that. Or you can say, I'm so grateful now that I have all my bills are paid off. I'm so grateful. I'm just so grateful that I'm healthy now, or my family member is healthy now. And I want you to just write. And I like to write 1 page at least. I don't write less than 1 page. I always write 1 page, and if I feel like I need to write more, then I do. The fourth key thing you need to do is to make sure that you are writing things that are happening within your life right now, in your current life, but also writing your manifestation. So you want to say things like, I'm so grateful that I have shelter and food on the table. I have a phone to watch Candace's videos, things like that. But you can also say, I'm so thankful for my relationship with my specific person, or I'm so thankful that I'm a millionaire now. Things that you desire as well. I want you to mix it together so it's a whole big fluster of gratitude within things that have already happened and things that you desire that are about to happen. It is such a cool mixture of all the gratitude when you mix it all within 1 sheet of paper, or more if you desire. Now, powerful creators, listen up. This is the 5th and final step. If you really want this to work, and this is from my perspective, take it or leave it. You need to do this every night before bed, and it needs to be the last thing you do. I say this because it's called akin to sleep, a state akin to sleep. And this is what Neville Goddard talks about, is that you want to fall asleep feeling and believing your desires are already yours. Now, I know in today's age, it's really hard for us to just have something like this be the last thing we do. We want to look at our phone or watch a movie while we fall asleep. I know it's really difficult, but you can train your mind, train your body to make this as the last thing you do before you go to sleep. I can tell you right now, I've been doing this for years. I mean, probably since 2015, 14, I've been doing this technique every single night. Of course, I've missed nights. I'm human. But it is my most important routine to my life. And the key is to falling asleep within your desires. I fall asleep, I don't look at my phone, I don't look at the TV, I turn everything off, and I immediately fall asleep. So make sure this is the last thing you do. I want you powerful creators to try this technique for 5 days. That is the commitment I want you to take. At least 5 days of you being consistent with this and it being the last thing you do before you go to bed. You finish your sentence. This could be another step. I read over mine and then I fall asleep. I feel the feelings as if it's already mine, and things always manifest for me. Powerful creators, now I want you to comment this powerful affirmation. Whatever I write down quickly becomes my reality. Whatever I write down quickly becomes my reality. That is the law of assumption working. When you speak that and you say, everything I write down quickly becomes my reality. Whatever I write down quickly becomes my reality. The universe is like, okay, your wish is my command. It quickly becomes your reality. You've been writing this and that. It quickly becomes your reality. I'm telling you, powerful creators, writing down your dreams and goals with gratitude as if it's already in your life. You are about to live out your dreams and goals quicker than you can ever imagine. Thank you so much, powerful creators, for watching. I know this technique will work for you if you commit to it, if you be consistent with it. I know it'll work for you. And the powerful creator of this video is Haya. Haya, thank you so much for being a part of the Powerful Creators community. I truly, truly, truly appreciate your love and support. It means so much to me. If you would like a shout out in my next video, all you have to do is hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell notification button, and comment this secret word below. If you like this video, you'll like my next video on how to use the telephone technique to manifest anything and everything you want. It's one of my favorite Neville Goddard techniques, and I want you to try it. Thank you again, powerful creators, for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Have a beautiful day. Bye.